Hey guys, this video is going to be all about how I do my first set of box braids. I had a good time doing this. It took about 6 hours total. I started it at like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock the other day, and I finished it. I had to get another pack of hair because I underestimated how much hair I was going to need. So I started off with 2 packs, and then I went to get another pack at the store, and 3 packs was enough. And they're a little bit skinnier maybe for some people's taste, but I didn't want them too heavy, so they're fine for my taste. I actually really love them. It's a little sparse on this side, I'm not even gonna lie, because I was running out of hair, but overall it still looks really good, and I'm really proud of my first set. So I got the Xpression's Kanekalon hair. The color I'll link down below, the exact color and everything for you guys. I'll also talk about some of the products I use to moisturize my hair. And I did the elastic method, where you put the rubber band around your certain section so that the tension is there, and it looks pretty neat. As far as the parts, I was kind of all around with the parts. There are like box parts, and there's more triangle parts. I would consider mine more triangle, but the ones in the back I can't see, so it probably is, you know, I tried to do triangles in the back, but if that's not how it came out, whatever. So it still looks pretty nice. And also I did want to mention, because my hair is super long, right? And so I'll show you the full length of my hair, and as you see, I used these little elastic bands on the end. I just kind of cut them and used elastic bands on the end because I just wanted to make sure that my actual hair wasn't getting damaged in the process. And also that's the reason why I decided to go for a lighter color than my hair, because I didn't want any problems taking them out as far as cutting my own hair or pulling my own hair too much. So that's pretty much the reason. The elastic bands on the end aren't a problem for me. I actually really like how they look. So yeah, if you have longer hair and you want to get box braids, I would recommend this, because I've seen other videos about people taking their hair down, and so with the elastic braids it seems like it'll be a lot easier to take them down, and they don't look that bad. So, but I think the other methods are, you can seal the ends with boiling water or seal the ends with the flat iron. So there's other videos out there for that if you would like to do that. So these are the products that I used. First, I used the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist to condition my hair. My hair was basically in a 2nd day wash and go, and I put it in braids. So I would recommend that just to straighten out your roots before you get started. It just makes it a lot easier, so you're not pulling or stretching your hair too much during the braiding process. So I just did cornrows on my head. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and that really straightened my roots. So in that process, I used the conditioner as my moisturizer. I used the gel just to reduce frizz, so that my hair in the braids isn't too frizzy, and it's not really frizzy. This is like 3rd day braids, so they're not too frizzy. So this actually really helps, and it has aloe vera in it, and it's flexible hold. It's the Smooth and Shine Polishing Curl Activator Gel. And then just to get my edges down, I use the Murray's Superior Hairdressing Pomade. I like to use this one because it doesn't have any water in it. A lot of other edge controls do have water in them, and so when you want to keep your hair straight and not have to always use edge control every day, this, I will use it 1 day and it'll last like 2 days. My edges will still be straight, just because the water is not in there to activate the curl skin. So my hair stays straight and it stays laid. So basically that is all I did, and I had the elastic bands I got from from the hair store as well. My parts aren't that big, but in the next clip you will see I pretty much did most of my hair, but I had a couple of pieces left in the front that I did. And mind you, I was running out of hair, so the pieces, the actual sections that I used for my hair were a little smaller, so these are a little thinner than I would like, but it's totally fine. I can hide it really well. But yeah, for my first time I think I did a really good job, so the next clip will be a demo of how I did it. So much for watching. I hope you like the final results of the braids. Let me know some of you guys' questions or just any comments on these braids. Let me know if you guys are wondering about anything. Most of the things I said in this video will be in the description box below. So 9 times out of 10, if you do have a question, it will be in the description box below. Follow me on my social media if you would like to get to me. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter is all in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.